everyone. My name is Sonika, and today I'm going to tell a story of Saviour of the Village. It's a patriotic story. So, once upon a time, in a small and beautiful village which was situated in the border of our country, their people lived happily. Children were playing, dancing, and some were singing songs. मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती, सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती. मेरे देश की धरती, मेरे देश की धरती. Then suddenly they heard firing sound. Whole village was in chaos. The terrorists had attacked and captured that village. All people were very scared and started heading in their home. As soon as the news of the terrorists was announced, our soldiers immediately left to retake that village and eradicate the terrorists. It was rainy season. There was heavy rainfall and rivers were raging with their gigantic waves, due to which the bridge had broken down. Now a soldier had to cross that river, but the bridge had broken down. So our soldier tried their level best to reach that village, but unfortunately it was impossible without a bridge. As time passed, our soldiers saw that few huts in their area, and they went to ask help by the people living there and explaining about the broken bridge and the village which was captured by the terrorists. Then some people said, "We want to help you, son, but what we can do? Nothing in our hands. Sorry, son." Then some people said, No, we can't help you. We don't want to put our life in danger. Two soldiers, they went to the last hut in the hopes of finding help. Then they knocked the door.
The door was opened by an old woman.
Our soldiers were hesitated to ask help to her, as she was 80 plus. Then she said, "कौन है बेटा? क्या चाहिए?" Then our soldier said and explained about the broken bridge and the village, and they said, "We need to go that village as soon as possible. For that we need some wood, Mataji." Then woman said, "Come in, beta. Don't worry. You can take how many wood you want from my hut. Don't worry. Nation is very important. Its safety is very, very important. I will make my hut again. So go, beta, save the nation and save the people of that village." Then the soldiers were surprised and very happy after listening her. And a spirit of nationalism and patriotism towards the country. Then our soldiers immediately made the bridge and crossed the river and had overtaken that village by defeating that terrorist. Then, while coming back, they saw a boy who put his finger into a hole of the wall. Then they asked, "What happened, beta? Why you kept your finger in the hole?" Then the boy replied, "Because of the terrorist attack, this wall which separates the river and the village developed a hole. And I thought, what can I do now? By the time I reach village, this hole will become big. So I thought to stop this water to flow in my village and so I can stop destroying my village." But beta, small hole, water won't destroy your village. Have you not thought about your finger? What if happened to your finger? Don't you know, keeping finger in the hole, it's not safe? I know, but what to do? I have to stop water. So I did what I felt correct. Then the head immediately made arrangement to close that hole and took the boy to the physician. Then all villagers thanked that boy and the soldiers and said, "Thank you very much because you both, today we are alive. Thank you very much." Do you know what the boy replied? He said, "No, no, don't praise me. It's my duty to save my land. So I did my duty. That's all." After listening to that small boy, the villagers and the soldiers saluted him and said, "We are proud of you, child. You are ready to give your life to your nation. You are the real hero." Then the all villagers live happily all together again. Thus, the soldier, the old woman and the boy had proved that nothing is greater than nationalism and patriotism. They were ready to give their life. I know everyone cannot go to fight at the border like our brave soldiers, but we can show our patriotism by doing small things like keeping clean and neat our country by putting the garbage in the particular bins, not spitting on the walls and the roads, and giving respect to our country and its people. Remember one thing, till the day our country is safe, we all are safe. Thank you everyone and happy Republic Day to all.